We could all use a little extra love these days, don't you think? So why not say it was something handmade? Tell your friends and family just how you feel with a simple dinner for two or even with an elaborate tablescape during this Happy Hearts Month. Or any time of the year. You can start spreading the love with these easy-to-make bowl koozies. If you're ready, let's make it! You'll need your brother's sewing and embroidery machine, cotton fabric, one pattern and one solid, cotton batting, a straight edge and rotary cutter, measuring tape, scissors, and straight pins. First, cut two 10 by 10 inch squares of cotton fabric and two 10 by 10 inch squares of cotton batting. Now's the time to add a message of love. You know, like the conversation candy hearts from your childhood. If you're using an embroidery machine, add a design and embroider the solid fabric piece with a message like "Be mine," "Kiss me," or "Love." Next, lay the piece of cotton batting on the wrong side of the 10 by 10 layer of cotton and sew from one corner to another, making an X across the square. This secures the batting in place. Sew the second piece of batting to the second piece of fabric. Time to make the darts! Now fold one of the batting and cotton pieces in half, and on the folded edge, measure 2 inches in from the raw edge and mark. Then, along the raw edge, measure 1 inch from the fold and mark. Using a straight edge, draw a line from one mark to the other. Do this to both ends of the folded edge. Head over to your sewing machine and sew along the line between the two marks. Then, cut the edges. Now, unfold the fabric and refold the same 10 by 10 piece in half again to create a new fold for the opposing side. Repeat the steps to make the darts. You'll need to make darts on both of the 10 by 10 batting and cotton pieces. Stitch and cut again. Now let's put it together. Laying the pieces right sides together, sew around the edge, leaving a 3-inch opening. Turn it right side out. Press and top stitch all the way around. And there you have it, bowl koozies sealed with a kiss. They're so cute and easy to make, they can speak for themselves. So say it with fabric and a touch of handmade love.